hanging craft ideas. Join us as we dive into the world of crafting, where sheets of paper transform into magnificent works of art that adorn your walls with a burst of life and personality. Our channel is a heaven of all the enthusiasts, artists, and anyone who craves to infuse their living spaces with a touch of uniqueness. With each video, we will guide you through step by step tutorials, unraveling the secrets behind creating these captivating paper wall hangings. From delicate floral designs that mirror the beauty of nature to geometric patterns that play with symmetry, our craft ideas span a kaleidoscope of styles, ensuring there's something for every taste and occasion. You will witness the magic of simple materials: paper, scissors, glue, as they merge to craft intricate pieces that redefine home decor. Whether you are a seasoned crafter or